CPT JJ-CPB Introduction, page 14, part 10.
Add-on codes continued.
We are continuing explaining the theory behind add-on codes. These are codes that are used in addition to the main code, and they are identified in the CPT code book by a plus sign in front of them, right? So add-on codes describe additional inter-service work associated with the primary procedure. For example, additional digits, additional lesion, neurography, vertebral segment, tendons, joints, anything that is in addition to the main procedure, right? And we have an example there. You see the main procedure is 11000, which is debridement of extensive eczematous or infected skin, and this is up to 10% of the body surface, right? That's the main procedure. Now, if you have more than 10%, for each 10% you have to put an add-on code. You see this plus here, plus, and this is the add-on code. It says for each additional 10% of the body surface or part thereof. See? So you have to add this add-on code if there's more than 10%. Okay? All right. That is our theory for today. Now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 257, exercise 73. And this, even though you see a long description there, this is a level 0. It's a very simple problem, okay? And the title is?
Appendectomy Laparoscopic.
Appendectomy laparoscopic. Appendectomy means excision or cutting out the appendix, right? And laparoscopic means using a laparoscope. All right? So the text reads like this.
Surgery, respiratory. Actually, this is the digestive system. Sorry.
Oh, you're right. Digestive system, because it is the appendix, right?
My apologies.
It's part of the stomach. It's okay, as long as we correct it.
Yes.
All right.
Patient presents to the emergency room with right lower abdominal pains.
Right lower abdominal pains in?
Emergency room physician suspects possible appendicitis.
Okay, because that's where the appendix is located, right? And if it hurts, that must be appendicitis. So the patient
was taken to the operating room where a laparoscopic appendectomy was performed.
Okay, and the pathology report was what?
Negative for appendicitis.
Which means that the patient didn't have appendicitis, but anyway, the procedure was done and has to be coded, right?
Right.
So, you see, don't let the long description fool you. This is a very simple problem. It's just a laparoscopic appendectomy. All the rest is just words that are describe the situation, but the procedure is a laparoscopic appendectomy. That was done. So that's what you have to code. Okay? So I'm going to count to 3 so you can give us the code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. All right. The answer is 44970. You got that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. Okay? So the tip is?
Start with appendectomy laparoscopic.
Actually, we gave you the tip already when we were describing the problem. Forget about all the other words and just go straight to appendectomy and then choose laparoscopic. And then you're home. You're home free. Okay? So the answer is 44970. Okay? So you know the answer, and now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path. How we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the summary of the whole problem. It's a surgery section of the digestive system, right?
Yes.
Sorry, we got to correct that because the appendix is part of the digestive system. The patient presents to the emergency room with right lower abdominal pains. The emergency room physician suspects possible appendicitis. So the patient was taken to the operating room where a laparoscopic appendectomy was performed. That's the important phrase. A laparoscopic appendectomy was performed. The pathology report was negative for appendicitis. Okay, so since we are coding the procedure, we have to code the laparoscopic appendectomy. So the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
Go to the index.
You start with appendectomy.
You go to the A and look for appendectomy. And then?
Laparoscopic.
Laparoscopic. And then you're going to find a code. What's the code you find?
44970.
44970, right?
Yes.
That's the only code that you find. That's what it's a level 0. You can't go wrong. There's only one code. So all you got to do is just got to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First, you go to a tabular.
Go to a tabular.
Then you start with 44970.
Which is the only code you got from the index. And what does it say?
Laparoscopy, surgical, appendectomy.
Which is exactly all the keywords that we have in the problem. That's why there's an equal sign at the end, which means that we have double-checked the answer. So the answer is 44970. Okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website. And also
you could subscribe to us on YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
All right, you just click on the red rectangle that says subscribe, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Yeah, that's correct. So don't forget to visit our website and also to subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.